नमस्कार, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कारा बाय निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ, मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। So, आज की वीडियो में हम करने वाले कुछ ऐसे ड्रिल्स दैट आर गोइंग टू हेल्प स्ट्रेंथन एज वेल एज रिलैक्स योर आईज, क्योंकि हम लोग ज्यादातर समय अपना स्क्रीन्स के आगे बिताते हैं। आईज टेक मोस्ट ऑफ द हिट। सो आज की वीडियो डेडिकेटेड टू द आईज फॉर आवर हेल्दी आईज। सो लेट्स गो। The first drill is Tratika. Sit in comfortable position, place the candle at the eye level and gaze at the flame without blinking for as long as comfortable. When the eyes water or you feel strained, close them and visualize the flame at the eyebrow center. This is going to help you improve the focus and help you reduce the eye strain due to screen exposure. The next drill is palming. Sit in any comfortable position, spine straight. Now join your palms together and rub them vigorously to generate heat. Once you feel the heat, gently place the cupped palm over the closed eyes without applying pressure. Hold for at least 1 to 2 minutes and breathe slowly. Repeat this for 3 to 5 times, especially after screen exposure or reading. The next is Netra Vayam or the eye movement drills. You will sit comfortably with your spine straight. Now you will move the eyes in the following sequence. You will move the eyes up and down, up and down. And then you will move the eyes side to side, side to side. And then you will move the eyes clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now make sure when you move the eyes, you keep your head still. You are not moving the head, you are only moving the eyes. Once your eyes feel tired, you just close the eyes and do palming. And then you can again repeat for 2 to 3 times. The next drill is thumb gazing. You will sit in any comfortable position, spine straight. Now extend your right arm fully in front of your face and make a thumbs up gesture. Now slowly get the arm closer to your body and get the thumb closer to the nose. And then start moving the thumb away from the body till the time your arms are straight. Repeat this for at least 2 to 3 times. Once your eyes feel tired, gently close the eyes and do palming. And then repeat this entire process for at least 5 to 6 times. The next drill is Nasagra Drishti or looking at the tip of the nose. Sit comfortably, keep your spine straight. Now start gazing at the nose. Keep gazing it till the time it slowly becomes small and disappears. After 30 to 40 seconds, close the eyes and palm the eyes. Now repeat this movement for at least 2 to 3 times. The next drill is blinking. Sit in any comfortable position with your spine straight. Now blink rapidly for 10 seconds. Open and close your eyes rapidly. Once you feel tiredness or you feel some strain, gently close the eyes. Now this will lubricate the eyes and release any tension, especially after post screen. Now if you have any kind of eye surgery, glaucoma, I would advise you to avoid doing this drill. If it puts too much pressure on the eyes, always take your doctor's advice before doing any kind of drill, or you go ahead with the video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. मैं अपने चैनल में ऐसे ही कुछ लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस डालती हूँ जिसके सोल्यूशन योगा और आयुर्वेदा में छुपा है, या कुछ कॉमन फ्लोज जो हम इजीली घर पे कर सके टू कीप आवरसेल्फ हेल्दी एंड एक्टिव। ऑल्सो शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, जिनको भी ये यूजफुल हो सकता है उनके साथ जरूर शेयर कीजिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते एंड टेक केयर।